Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and Iotex has just broke out. You can see here the volume, guys, 1800% volume increased, and almost touching the 900 million volume over the last 24 hours. The market cap is 1.2 billion dollars. Okay, currently ranked at 96 Iotex. Okay, and the price went up 75%. So told you guys that if I show you the crypto fear and greed index today, you can see the index has just increased. Extreme greed in the market, guys, extreme greed in the market. If I show you the 1 year performance, okay, if I show you 1 year performance, just take a look at the greed and index. Okay, crypto greed index, the levels. Okay, if we take a look at here, the 20 May, you saw the extreme fear in the market. This was the period when we saw the price was low, at the lows. Okay, and the high was making approximately, it went up to 90 back in the February. And if we take a look at here, 90, 86, 80, 95, 94. Okay, so and previously it went up in the August to 79, 70, 70. So if we take a look at the past performance of the greed and that index, then we are approximately near this level. So although it's fundamentals, not the this is the sentiment of the market. I'm talking about the sentiment, not the technical analysis. Just telling you the price. Here we saw a dump right on the 7th September. If we take a look at the BTC USD on the 7th of the September, let's take a look at the 7th September. Where is it? Yeah, you can see we saw a huge dump in the market. It went from 52,000 to approximately touching the level of 43. So 10,000 drop, approximately 10,000 drop. So again, you can see it started from 8th of August to almost you can see 7th of September. So 1 month it was fully, you can see it was a month of you can see bullish month. Okay, now the crypto fear, the greed index here, you can see 76% on 7th of October. Now if we take a look at here, so within today is the 3 of month, so almost 1 month is near. Now if we take a look at here, 13th, or you can see the 4th of March to approximately 17th of April, 1 month of good bullish momentum here. 10th February to 24, 14 days. And if we take a look at this one, this was a good bull run from almost 2 months of the bull run. And this was from 14th May to approximately 23 of May, June, July, so 2 months of that bearish period. So now the sentiment is extremely greed right now. Now let's head over to the Iotex. Yeah, what is it that we might gonna see a fall? We can see. Okay, it depends. Okay, so but here if we show you the last year's performance, 4th November, okay, the greed index was around 74. Okay, and after that we saw almost you can see 2 months of bullish momentum. So if the cycle repeats, then yeah, all coins are gonna pump for over the next 2 weeks, or maybe over the next 2 months, November, December, January. But it's just the sentiment of the market. So enough of it, just let's head over to the Iotex. You can see here again the volume is increasing. If I show you the Iotex on here, okay, let me show you from here the change in the market over the last 24 hours. Let me show you this one, Iotex. Okay, let's head over to Iotex. Just take a look at here. Let me delete everything. We are on the weekly. If we take a look at the weekly chart, it started from 11th of November 2019. The price went up, made the all-time high. So if we take a look from the low to this high, and let me just reverse it with the help of the Fibonacci level. Just let me reverse it for you. Okay, now take a look at here. Previously the price went approximately testing this level. Again, we have approximately tested this level of 161.8%. you can see here. I'm laughing because 61.80 I have mentioned so many times in my previous video. If in fact yesterday I mentioned that 61.80 is a golden pocket. We see what I have done is I have drawn the swing low level. This is the swing low candle to the swing high candle, this one, okay, and you can see the results are in front of you. Okay, we saw that 61.80 was a good support level here, and now we are again reached the level of you saw the resistance level. So this is a weekly candle, and now we have a huge, now if we take a look at this one, guys, this was a breakout candle. Okay, this was a breakout candle and there was a gap. Okay, if we observe closely, it was a breakout candle. If we take a look at, let me draw the levels, let me delete everything for now, and let me just turn on the candles on the daily. So this was the first level. Okay, this was the swing high as well, and I'm gonna draw a level here. So just take a look at the weekly chart, guys. Okay, this was the level 0.04 was the support level. Why? Because it was a support level, because it was a swing high candle. Okay, again let me show you this one. Now it was a swing high candle because next two candles we saw a dip. That next candle again tried to test the level but failed to reach this level. Let me turn on this as well. So again let me draw the levels. Okay, just let me finish it. Okay, here. Now this was a demand zone. This was a demand zone. There was a gap in here. Why? Because it was a breakout candle, and when we see a breakout candle, it has to get retested. It has to retest. Okay, although there was a gap as well, but it did not retest this level. But again, if we see the same picture, just take a look at the pattern of the Iotex, guys. Iotex pattern here, we saw a breakout, then a retest, breakout, then a retest, breakout, then a retest again, then breakout again, retest, and that was a retest plus the distribution and accumulation here. Okay, this is an accumulation phase. What happened? We saw a huge breakout and then a perfect retest or a pullback and accumulation, distribution zone, and everything. Now what do you expect right now? Is it the good time to buy, or should you buy it or not? Following the trend, okay, following the previous trend, what do you think? I think the price is gonna stay at this level, but next up we're gonna see a drop like this candle this week, then maybe next week, then another candle going down the list. Okay, at least to the point here. Okay, so the level of support on the weekly chart, if you're a long-term holder, I think the best one would be to sell off right now and take your profit and move on to the next round, move on to the next coin. Okay, so 0.08490. Okay, this is the level of support right now for the coming weeks. It has to get retested. It has to retest, or I can draw a level bit more towards the upside, the previous swing high. Let me turn on the magnet tool, this one. Okay, so very narrow. Yeah, so these two are the levels, 0.086, 0.084. So these two levels are surely going to be hit in coming weeks. Okay, maybe not this week, third week, maybe fourth week. Maybe we're gonna see retesting within 1 month. The price is gonna come down to this level for a healthy pullback. Right now the candle is still in formation. This candle has not closed. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so we might gonna see either this candle going down, okay, making a high wick towards the upside, or the next candle, if it closed here, somewhere here, maybe here, then we might gonna see a pullback towards this area, and then you can place your buy orders at this area. Okay, so this is the current scenario of the Iotex. On the top side, we are near the target of 0.13, and if again, just let me go through the Fibonacci level before we turn off the video here. That was a good area. Okay, that was a good area. Okay, you can see 261. This time I have taken this as a swing high candle, so it retested at 261. So we might gonna see all-time high being tested at this level. That would be somewhere, not this one, but it would be somewhere here 0.14, but that is the current scenario of the Iotex, guys. Okay, we might gonna see a pullback, but this is a weekly candle, not a daily. I'm telling you the long term, the long term signal or the long term holding of the Iotex, if you are the holder of the Iotex. So that is the current scenario of Iotex, the price prediction of Iotex. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.